Hi there and welcome to the new Qlik Sense tutorial video. And in this video I will going to talk about the MapSubstring function. So MapSubstring function is a very similar function as you compare it with the apply map, as it has the map previous to it. So what it does is basically like you have seen the apply map, where you have the code or you have something like coded information and it's detailed information. So based on the codes you want to fetch the information, the detailed information for your table. For example, we had the country code, the two name country code and the full country code name, and based on that two code names we have fetched the information. But here it does a slightly different thing, and let me show it to you with the help of the data. So over here we have this mapping table where these are the codes like R indicates red, Y indicates yellow, B indicates blue. Now we have the product models table, and over here this particular model has the code of RCS, which is red, cotton, and S is small. So if these are the codes or this is the information you need to fetch for your scenario, then you will going to use the MapSubstring function. So using it is very simple. After the load star, we can simply say MapSubstring, provide the mapping table name, which is map2 over here, and then the name of the column, which is ATTCODE. So what it will going to do, based on this column, it will going to match with the first column, look for the various code like RCS, and going to return these three values in this order, which is present over here. So if I click on save and click on load data, come over here, come to analysis, we will going to create one table, and in that add dimension. So we have not given the name, so that's why it is showing the full formula. We could have given the name like as maybe code details, something like that. So let's first take the model. So these are the various models, and now let's take their respective code details. So over here, so you can see that for Boomer you have B, from B blue, polyester, large. Over here if you see for Boomer you have BPL, which is blue, polyester and large. So this basically gives you a very handy information or the detailed information that is attached to your model. Now it can be your product model or any field which basically has more than one parameter which is stored in a different table, and you want to fetch it in this fashion, then you can use the MapSubstring function. A very important and interesting function, and having an idea about this will go in a long way, because if you don't know, you will probably try to use some if else condition or something like that to get the information in this order, if you are not aware about this function. But yeah, this becomes really handy to achieve scenarios like this. So that's about it, how you can implement the map string within Qlik Sense. And now I'll meet you in the new video with the new topic.